Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, as of April 3rd, 2022, the price of Terra Classic was trading at $115.14. And then the volume of Terra Classic was actually trading at $2.17 billion with a market cap of $40.66 billion. Now, Terra Classic after the crash, I tell this as of April 3rd, Terra Classic currently have a market cap of about $1,080,000,000 and the price is still trading with about 3 zeros. But I believe with Binance support, because Binance have been really supporting Terra Classic, and other crypto exchanges are also fully behind supporting this coin. Terra Classic still need a market cap of about $5 billion for Terra Classic to hit at least 1 cent or 10 cents, which I know from that level you might start seeing Terra Classic hitting back at 12, 10, 12, 13, gradually back to its former market cap of over $40 billion. So the question is, can Terra Classic hit $115 price again? Because right now the market cap is already at $1 billion and the bonding of Terra Classic have also really increased, which will further help this coin to really increase in price. But I think so many things have changed. Even though if Terra Classic gained about $40 billion market cap right now, the price might not hit that $115. Okay, you might be seeing Terra Classic at $1 or 50 cents or even $2 or $3. And I believe, of course, Terra Classic will see increase in price, but I'm happy for the fact that despite what happened with Terra Classic, so many people still believe, so many people keep pumping in money, and gradually this coin is getting back on track. I hope to see Terra Classic market cap hitting back at $14 billion before the end of 2025, and let's hope to see where the price will be trading by then, if it will be by $1, $5 or $10. But Terra Classic at $40 billion, believe it, holders will be smiling to the bank. A lot of people will be making a lot of profit. Terra Classic is going to create more millionaires in dollars, and this coin is definitely going to increase. I'm hoping to see this year becomes a bullish year for Terra Classic. Not just Terra Classic, this year becomes a bullish year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. Now remember, this is not a financial advice. Please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.